Hello, in this demo I'm going to show you how VitalSigns monitors IBM Traveler servers. So here I am in a browser window with my dashboard, and I can look up here and see at a glance the status of all of my servers. However, if I want to see specifically how my Traveler servers are doing, I will click on Server Health, Traveler Health. VitalSigns will automatically detect if a server is running Traveler, and it will show up in this page. Now, I've got two Traveler servers in my environment here. They're both running 8.5.3.200, and you've got some statistics here. The overall health of DOM1 is yellow. The overall health of Web1 is green. And I can see that HTTP is running and is okay. HTTP and Traveler are tightly interconnected, so it's important for HTTP to be okay. You'll also see that we calculate how many HTTP threads are required for the number of devices that you have, and we'll calculate whether the maximum configured connections you have is sufficient for the number of users you have. And as you start to approach that threshold, we'll warn you in advance. Also, I've selected the Traveler server DOM1 here, and that populates the screens below. The next section here will tell you the various mail servers that has access to, and let you know if there's any issues with communicating with those mail servers. You can also see over time what percentage of mail file opens to a particular target mail server took between 0 and 1 second, or between 1 second and 2 seconds, and so forth. That's the way IBM captures these statistics. You can also see the cumulative growth over time, and you can also see the number of HTTP sessions over the course of a day. Now, what's particularly nice to show your executives is you can show them the Traveler users. Here's a graph that shows you all the different devices that you're supporting, and that can either be across all of your servers, or you can look at a particular Traveler server if you wanted to zoom in on for more details. And if you wanted to see what the operating systems are that are represented by that, you can see what percentage are Apple and Android and BlackBerry if there's any, and Symbian and so forth. And finally, a list of all the Traveler servers. You can quickly see at a glance who they are and how quickly or how recently they've communicated with a server. You can pare this list down to say, just show me all the devices that have synchronized in the last 15 minutes, or all the ones that have not synchronized within the last 15 minutes. And finally, if you're authorized for this, you can click on a user and right-click, and a button comes up, and you can take the Traveler administration actions of denying access, wipe a device, change the approval level, and so forth. And what this does is it queues up a remote console command to the server, and the Traveler server will execute that as soon as possible. Now, if you're interested in learning more about VitalSigns, we do have more demos that cover different topics. Thank you for watching.